Tired of manually copying data between Google Sheets and your other apps? Let's unlock the power of automated workflows by syncing Google Sheets and Zapier. First, head over to Zapier and log into your account, or sign up for free. If you're new, click the Create Zap button to start building your automation. Now, choose Google Sheets as your trigger app. This is the app that starts your Zap. Select the specific trigger you want, like new spreadsheet row or new or updated spreadsheet row. Click Continue. You'll now be prompted to connect your Google Sheets account to Zapier. Click Sign into Google Sheets and follow the on-screen instructions to grant Zapier access. Make sure you select the Google account associated with the spreadsheet you want to sync. Next, specify the spreadsheet and worksheet you want to use. Choose the correct spreadsheet from the drop-down menu, and then select the relevant worksheet within that spreadsheet. Click Test Trigger to make sure Zapier can access your data. This will pull in a sample row from your spreadsheet. If everything looks good, click Continue. Now it's time to choose your action app. This is the app where you want to send or update the data from your Google Sheet. For example, you could choose Gmail to send an email, Slack to post a message, or another Google Sheet to update data. Configure your action by connecting your chosen app, like Gmail, and then map the data from your Google Sheet to the corresponding fields in the action app. For instance, you can use data from a specific column in your Google Sheet as the email subject or body. Finally, review your Zap, give it a name, and turn it on. Now, whenever your trigger event happens in Google Sheets, your Zap will automatically perform the action you've configured to enjoy your automated workflows.